Okay, we have this Dell. This one is an interesting one. Well, not super interesting, but the thing is, customer said there was ants inside. They cleaned it out and it wouldn't turn on. They brought it to me. I tried their charger, my charger, same. But an obvious fault at the moment is we got a light on the charger. This is their testing charger. Plug it in and immediately cuts out. That tells us potentially there is a problem with the main 19 volt. There may be a short. So we're going to try and figure out where that short is. Hopefully it's an easy one. Let's see. Okay, that is reading a dead short. Oh shit. That's fucked. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's quite obvious. I should have known. I should have. I can even smell it. Far out. Whatever that is, a bug or whatever has destroyed it. I can't believe this, guys. Look. Man, that's a very deep burn. I can't see, of course, you can't see. Man, that's bizarre. That looks like hell. Okay. That's gonna be a multi-layer burn. Shit. Wow. That is something. Alright, I'll give them their options. Very annoying. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. This is just an inspection. See if they want to proceed, I'll proceed with, cleaning up that area. It's gonna be very tough. Okay.